Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We're up to drawing number 14. And just like before, it's going to be a combination of different images. But I'm going to start this one by doing a block and then removing the parts. So very similar to what we did back in drawings 1, 2 and 3. So without any further ado, we go up to New, Metric, Standard Part, Create. Start a sketch. It's up in the top left hand corner. XY plane. Nothing's changed. Generating a standard block, which we're going to start with a rectangle. Find the origin. 30, tab, 20, enter. Finish sketch. Extrude. 50 millimeters. And if you've been following me through from the start, that's fairly similar to what we've already done. And orientating it so that definitely now as the project gets more complicated, I want to make sure my orientation of my project matches what I've got on my screen, so I know I'm removing elements from the part I need to and not somewhere I don't need to, and I'm not doing an inverse or a different variation of what I need. Because drawing's an accuracy thing, you need to be very accurate. So in this case, I'm going to draw the cutouts on the ends here. Actually, I'm going to do the cutouts from the top, and then I'm going to do the side profile on what's left. So I'm going to do 2 rectangles, one on this side, one on there, and then I'll do a side profile. So here we go. Going to start a sketch on the top face. We've done that before. I'm going to project geometry, top face. I've got my yellow sides. I'm going to click on the top function so it puts it back in the middle for me. And now I'm going to draw a rectangle. In this case, I'm going to draw 2 rectangles starting in the corner because I've got that green dot. And I'm just going to draw it somewhere in here and somewhere in there. And I realize they're not the same, and that's deliberate, so that as I set my sizes using the dimension tool, so the size I know I need to have is going to be from here to there. On my drawing says it's 10. Enter. So size from here to there is also 10. I'm going to introduce you to a new feature. It's called the equals feature. So if I put an equal sign in here and then I click this measurement, it's telling the computer that make this size the same as that one always, and go enter. So if I change this size, that size will change automatically. I haven't got to change both of them. And when you're doing things that are symmetrical, this is a really handy clue. You could have easily typed in 10 as well, but I'm just showing you some other options. Okay, looking at my drawing, what other size do I know? It gives me the width of this in here. So dimensions of from that point to that point happens to be 10. Enter. Okay. And it tells me that it's in the middle. So being 30 wide, 30 divided by 3 is 10. So from there to there is going to be 10. Enter. So straight away I've got my sizes set up. I know what I need. It's all good to go. Finish sketch. Extrude. So just like we did the last on 13 where we cut 2 triangles out, this time we're going to cut all the way. But we're not going to cut all the way through. We're going to cut to a distance. We're going to cut down to a point, and it's going to be 10 millimeters down. Okay, and I'm going to choose that one, and I'm going to choose that one, and go, yep, that's what I want to do. Okay. So straight away I know what size I've got to be at. There we go. I know how far I've gone down. I've now got to put a triangle on this face here. Well, we've done that. We did that on the last dovetail. So we're going to use exactly the same techniques. We're going to start a sketch, draw it on this face, project geometry for the face. I'm going up to the right hand corner here to check to make sure I've got it on the right face. Yes, I do. And remember, I'm drawing the part I want to remove. So I'm going to be drawing a rectangle, a triangle on this part here because I want to remove this top part. And I'm not drawing the part I want to keep, I'm drawing the part I want to remove. So I'm going to go to my line tool. I'm going to start in the corner. I've got my little green dot. I'm coming down to this corner, green dot, up to this corner. Okay, green dot, joining from this corner all the way up to that corner, green dot again. I can see that profile, that nice triangle in there. That's what I want to remove. I've finished my sketch. I'm going to extrude, second option, the cut option, and I'm going to go all, because I want to cut all the way through, don't want it to stop. See that profile change color? Always looking for that profile to change color. Shows me an example. Yes, that's what I wanted to do. And go OK. So the orientation is the same. The profile is the same. And we're just applying multiples of those simple techniques over and over again. All right. File. Save as. And this is drawing 14. Drawing 1-4. Save. Okay, join me next time for drawing 15, where we'll again use similar techniques. It looks a bit more complicated, but it's actually a bit easier than this one to draw. And join me then. Till then, ciao.